Hey beautiful people, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sasha Gay, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing video. This is the August CURLBOX, alright? And last month I never liked the CURLBOX too tough. And I hope say love the one here. It's more polypa styling products in there and all of the good things. In the description box you will find a link to the CURLBOX. However, it is more on the exclusive side, so you will have to join a waiting list and wait and all of the good things. You know, can be a bit frustrating, but when you get a CURLBOX, you get a good thing. You understand? But before we get into all of that, guys, please remember to like this video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Okay? Drop me a comment if you have anything to say, and without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Bad mind and jealousy just get me free. So you keep me free.
Alright, so this is what we're looking like. Everything kind of, that's what we're looking like. 5 full-size products. Something little show me look juice, boy. Alright, let's get into it. And we're going to start with the shampoo. And this is the Dr. Miracle's line again, guys. And this is the Strong Plus Healthy line. I received some products from this line once before, and there are some products from the line that I love. So I'm not mind getting it back. I'm still excited. Alright. So this is the Aloe and Honey Non-Stripping Detox Shampoo, and it cleanses plus treats, removes up to 95% of styling buildup, leaves hair feeling hydrated and clean without feeling stripped. Now that we want from our shampoo. Alright, we want clean and we don't want strip. Okay, so it has in aloe, honey, aloe smooths, aloe vera smooths, honey hydrates, and coconut oil nourishes. Okay, and then we're going to go into the deep conditioner, because that would be what's next, right? Yeah, deep conditioner. Here we go. Yes, that's what that looks like. So this is the deep conditioner, and it hydrates and strengthens for 3 times less breakage. Okay, provides intense reparative moisture to dehydrated hair. Rice protein repairs, babusu oil moisturizes, and coconut oil strengthens. Okay, and it says no sulfate, no minerals, and no petroleum. But I think this has in cones. Yep, it has in cones. More than likely, me go give it the conditioner though, the deep conditioner, because it have in cones. I'm not really mess with cones, because me and cones are not really friend. They not like me, me not like them, so we just stay far from each other. So you treat things that don't like you and people don't like you. Okay. Alright, the next product we are going to go into is the... We're going to go into the leave-in. Yeah. I have this leave-in. It's a duplicate. It's a duplicate and I don't mind it. The only problem I have is that it has in cones. I've tried this leave-in before and I really like it. Alright, I like it, but it has in cones, and I'm going to do a video on the effects of cones on my hair. Maybe it can help somebody else, so I will do one such video. But cones not too in me, I'm not in them neither, because they don't like me, so I don't like them. Okay, as it relates to what it says it should do, you know, hydrate, soften for 5 times more nourishment to strands. It really does feel moisturizing. Alright? It really does. Moisturizes and seals strands for frizz control, breakage protection, and length retention. All the things that you want from any product. Shea butter nourishes, rosemary refreshes, and grapeseed oil softens. we'll get deeper into the cone arguments when I do a video on that topic. Alright, so the next product we are going to get into is the gel. Alright, so this is the gel. I love gels. I love gels a lot. This is the Biotin and Aloe Nourishing and Styling Gel. And the claims are to style and protect. 2 times more moisture to help resist dryness, frizz, and flaking. Moisturizes, hold, and define curls and coils without drying out hair. Biotin nourishes, aloe vera moisturizes, olive oil smooths. I like gels and I like stylers, so I will be trying this product. Hope, oh my gosh, the second ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin don't like me though. You know, glycerin don't really like me. But let's see what kind of, what kind of compromise me and Mr. Glycerin can really have. Yeah. So, we'll be trying that. You will see the video. Alright. The final product from this CURLBOX is actually my favorite product from the CURLBOX. Right? I received this in a previous box and it's actually my favorite from the entire line. It is the black castor oil and tea tree restoring hair and scalp oil, and it styles plus protect. 2 times more moisture protection to prevent dry hair and scalp. Restores shine and moisture to dry hair and scalp. Black castor oil strengthens, tea tree oil soothes, and mango butter revitalizes. Can I tell you that this is the best feeling oil ever? It feels awesome. I am very, very happy to have received another one because I'm more than halfway through the one that I had. So I'm now have to go buy it. Come and get it in my CURLBOX. Yeah, this was my actual favorite product from the line. And the pre-shampoo treatment was another one of my favorites, and that is now part of my staple. I really, really like this line. I really like it. I like certain things from the line. The stuff that don't have cones. The oils don't have cones. The pre-treatment does not have cones. The shampoo doesn't have cones, but there are a few products that do. Okay, so I will be doing a full review of this line, these products, as I normally do. So just stay tuned for that. Check my description box for all the info on how to subscribe to the CURLBOX and all of that jazz. Okay, guys, I've made it to the end of another video. You deserve a clap for that. Please remember to like this video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on that post notification so that you can be notified as soon as I upload a video. Drop me a comment if you have anything to say. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mm-mm.